Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn how we can earn money from the TRX cloud mining. So let's start with the video. Going to the main screen. If you are new here, so I have request for you. So please give you a thumbs up for to the video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the more informative videos like this. So please, now we are going to the main screen for the video. So we have to search that how we can money from the cloud mining. We are going to for the first website. There are 8 ways to earn crowns as a TRX. We are looking for the best ways to make money. Cryptocurrency is probably hit your mind. Cryptocurrency is the one of the quickest growing digital assets, controlling by the blockchain and enabled to the trading. It is efficient, effectively offered by many ways to earn online. There are many ways to you can earn to make money, and cryptocurrencies some of the worst, which is more not required for you to invest anything other than your time and efforts. Let's go and start. What is Tron? Basically, we have to know first what is Tron and what is that TRX is a blockchain decentralized platform that's aimed to create a free global digital content in intermeeting system with the distribution strong technology and the allow you to share digital currencies easily and cost efficiently. Let's dive into the way to earn TRX. So mine trons. Tron is not a directly mining currency. It is pre-mined. This is means the already created TRX are the conclusion, and a new creation will only make one of the best inflations. You can earn Tron by the staking the currency, which is controlling by suppliers such as token currency creation fees, transaction fees, and etc. All coins are already there, so there is no need for mining. You can earn trons if provide the network with the additional strong space to help create a new share economy. Proof of stakes. The proof of stake system used in the Tron randomly select on the basis of the block verified policy. Checkers can ensures that the chances by holding the largest stakes in the each valuation, the highest the deposit in the blockchain or stakes. The generator the change of the verification verifying the blockchain, then the receiving the transaction fees. The participant system pays more attractive to the environment because it is not required a lot of energy and hardware. Learn about the mining trons. If you want to learn about more about it, you can click here. So Tron mining guide is here. Tron focus the a simple crypto focus that the less to the get paid ensures cryptocurrency daily climb up to the air disk TRX every hour. Staking minimum withdrawal is the 10 TRX, no withdrawal fees. There is no withdrawal fees. You can withdraw your TRX if you earn by some using some websites to trons, that you have not to pay any type of fees at the trons. You can get it easily. Lucky number, yeah, you can check it by the lucky number is the 0 to 9,000. You can pay out 0.003 dollars. Yeah, that's the value of the TRX in the form of TRX. If you are this between this number, you can get 0.03 dollars, and this is equal to this type of tron. If you are the luckier one in between this number, you can get 0.03 dollars, and you can get 8.2 trons against it. If you are between these numbers, you can get $3, and you are equal to 82 trons. If you are between these, you can earn $30, and you are between these $828. There look lucky one between the this number, and you can get $300, and you are against 8,285 trons. There are more limits about it, so they are all finished. So future free tron every hour. Get the free tron for the free every hour you have by playing the very simple games, and you can win the up to the $300 on free trons. Your wallet will be rewarded by with a click of button. immediate immediate withdrawal. You do not have the way to get paid with fee. Tron feature is you will be received your trons as soon as reach our minimum amount. Highly reward players get the 50% off by your friends earning with the free trons. That's right, 50% of accommodation where they will receive 50% of their referral make. If you invite someone, you can get hers earning the 50%. Free promotions, you do not have to wait a 1 hour to get free trons. Follow free trons on the Twitter to get free promo codes. That will allows you to get extra rolls without waiting, which will increase your chances to get more hits, which is why free trons is 100% unique. Number three, earn trons with a delicious application. This is the application. If you use this application, you can earn more trons, where you can also earn dividends by the playing this game. You can earn mine and token while the playing the, which you can freeze stakes to the dividends. Tron's mission is to deliver the contents directly from the contents creators to the consumers by the eliminating immediate. This will be let the customer with reduction for the context customers and higher the revenue of the contents makers, which is a win-win-win situations for the both. There are no 720 active jobs, and the Tron Dapps ecosystem was say transaction worth up to $411 million for the first quarter of the 2020. For us, in the cryptocurrency earning progress that runs smart contracts, it is allows you to work for the home and anywhere of the your choices while watching you accounts grow with the cryptocurrency revenues. The program is the flexible without time limits, goals and phrase. Forex trades operating the specific space of the currency, which is allows you to the earn along with the reduced rounds income. That's it for the today video. Hope you like the video. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.